Hey, nothing's better than doing weather from the community garden on the south side of Lafayette. We'll talk more to Don Need about some really cool things going on here at the garden over this upcoming weekend. On this day in weather history, though, boy, it was not a good day. 1923, we had a really nasty microburst that flattened about a 1.5-mile area in Clinton County near Mulberry. It was accompanied by a golf ball-sized hail, and it destroyed all the crops in that area. Now tonight, nothing to worry about in that regard. We're going to have another comfortable night. We're going to drop into the 50s pretty much area-wide to right around 60 along that US 41 corridor to the west from Pine Village down to Covington, and everyone else back into the 50s. Tomorrow, a little warmer, just slightly more humid. Highs generally in the 80s from the 86 at Lafayette. 87 Attica, though, and then kind of hanging out around 84 in our far northeast counties. On Sunday, hotter, a little more humid. Notice how many places in the southwest will hit 90, 89 Lafayette, and everyone else generally around 87, 88 degrees. Now the dew point trend, the key is that green line you see on that graphic. You get above that, it is very muggy. And notice as we get into next week, again, it still looks like we're going to get very tropical and very uncomfortable around here with highs in the 90s, heat index around 100. Notice how the clouds are kind of rotating clockwise just west of here and up into the northern part of the U.S. We call that an upper ridge, and it's that big dome of heat to the west that will be moving eastward. You can see the jet stream pattern. There's the heat off to the west on its way east, but not only is the heat going to move east, but also some little tropical scattered storms that are down in the southern U.S. right now. As you can see, those will start moving north and northwest. So with the heat next week, it does look like a few scattered storms will pop too. And then finally, a cold front will come through here on Friday. That's our next chance of severe weather with more organized storms. And at least right now, after next Friday, it appears that next weekend, with just dancing in downtown Lafayette, we may actually have a pretty nice weekend. But the key is the timing of that front. If it slows down, then the severe weather threat will actually change, and it would be more towards Saturday during dancing. 7-day forecast, 86 tomorrow, 89 for Sunday, but the heat wave is on, but also a few scattered storms next week. These will be the pop-ups you get in the middle of the afternoon and evening. But Friday, those storms look a little more organized, perhaps a line of storms, and certainly perhaps even a little bit of a severe threat. Coming up next, we're going to talk to Don Need, Master Gardener, about what's going on here at this beautiful community garden here in Lafayette. Stay tuned.